The last case you'll ever need. iCUE Link 5000 TLX turns RGB nightmares into plug-and-play masterpieces.
Ever stared at your finished build through that beautiful tempered glass and felt embarrassed because it looks like a wiring explosion inside? I have been there. Last year, I spent an entire Saturday night until 4 a.m. just trying to tame 12 different fan and RGB cables. Still looked like trash. Sound familiar? Drop a yep in the comments if you have lived this nightmare.
That knot in your stomach when you realize half your weekend is gone and the inside still looks chaotic. Hours wasted, back aching, zip ties everywhere, and the constant fear one loose cable will short something. You just want a clean, jaw-dropping build, not another cable management therapy session. Imagine if it did not have to be this way.
Then I accidentally stumbled onto the CORSAIR iCUE Link 5000 TLX while shopping for a regular case. One look at the included iCUE Link System Hub and 3 pre-installed LX120 RGB fans, and I knew this was different. Everything, power, pulse width modulation, and RGB runs through a single daisy chain cable. One cable per group of devices, not 12. The pre-installed Aurora RGB strips diffuse light perfectly with no hotspots. The spacious interior swallows eATX boards and 400mm graphics processing units like it is nothing. And reverse connector motherboard support means even back connect boards stay completely clean. Suddenly, you're not fighting cables, you're just snapping thumb screws and watching everything light up in perfect sync. Last month, I had a client emergency build due in 24 hours. Normally, I'd be sweating bullets. With the 5000 TLX, fans daisy-chained in 8 minutes, all-in-one cooler added with 1 extra link, cables routed in 15 minutes total. Client walked in, jaw dropped, said it was the cleanest build he had ever seen. That is the superpower this case gives you.
This is not some looks good for a week trick. It stays clean forever. Add a new iCUE Link AIO or more fans later? Just plug into the existing chain. No new spaghetti. The hub supports up to 14 devices, and the 25mm plus space behind the motherboard tray swallows every remaining cable like they do not exist. My buddy Jay, who builds high-end rigs for streamers, told me straight up, I used to charge clients extra for clean cable work. With the 5000 TLX, I do not need to anymore. Cut my build time by 2 to 3 hours minimum. Best case I have ever used. And here's a real user quote from a guy I met in a Discord who switched last month. Went from a rat's nest 4000 to the 5000 TLX, added a 360mm AIO and 4 more fans over 2 upgrades, still 0 visible cables. It is actually ridiculous how clean it stays. Yes, it is a premium case, but when you realize it already includes 3 LX120 fans, $150 plus value, the full iCUE Link hub, $80 plus, and integrated Aurora strips most people pay extra for, you're actually saving money compared to piecing it together yourself. Plus, you get your weekends back. What is that worth to you? If you are tired of settling for good enough interiors when you know your build could look insane, the 5000 DLX is the upgrade that changes everything. Thousands of builders, weekend warriors, and full-time pros alike have already made the switch and will never go back to traditional wiring. This is an investment in actually enjoying the build process again. Grab yours with the link in the description. Best price I have found. And stick around to the end. I will show you exactly how I route the cleanest iCUE Link chains possible. See you in there.